Hi, myself Dr.Tharanitharan. This is the fourth video series of design of transmission element, flexible transmission element. Here we are going to discuss about the chain drive system. Basically, the chain drive is used for both shorter and longer distance. It's a beauty of chain drive system. Most of the automobile transmission, most of the conveyor transmission, the best recommended drive system is chain drive system. Here comparatively, compared to flat belt and wheel belt, slippage is very minimal, power loss is very minimal. So only we are recommend the chain drive system. What are all the basically what is the chain drive? How the geometrical arrangements is involved? We can discuss now. So chain drives are used to transmit the power between two parallel shafts comparatively at shorter as well as longer distance. We have simple chain drives consist of two sprocket and an endless chain. Small sprocket is called as pinion, large sprocket is you can say it as wheel. Sprocket are the tooth reveal of the specific profile for teeth. Some chain drives are idler used for tensioning device. This chain is made up of links, pins and joints. These are the simplest geometrical arrangement of chain drive system. The material for the chain is high grade steel with pins and bushing. These are all the simple introduction about the chain drive system. This is simplex single row chain drive system. As like we discussed, chain consists of number of rollers, bushes with links. You can see this is the geometrical arrangement of chain element. This is a light duty simplex chain drive system. This is the simple animation for running of chain drive system with sprockets, smallest sprocket. What are the advantages of chain drive system? Chain drives can be used for long as well as shorter distance. It's suitable for medium center distance where we already discussed. It's applicable for shorter as well as longer distance. Generally, the chain drives we can say is a positive drive because slippage is very minimal compared to other drive system. At the same time, it is not suitable for precise motion. It's required due to wear in bushing and punch and sprockets. Suppose if wear take place means you can't get the precise movement. In flat belt and wheel belts also not get the precise movement. Suppose we want to need as precise movements, it's better go ahead with teeth drives. The efficiency is very high. So beauty of the belt drive system, you can achieve 98% with low maintenance cost if properly lubricated. Transmit more powers, occupies less space and compact. It can transmit it under the adverse environment and atmospheric condition. You do not exert the high pressure on the shaft and bearing. The high speed ratio of 8 to 10 non-step. What are the disadvantages of chain drive system? Good alignment of shaft is required, especially for high speed chains and wide chains, and cost is very high. Views already well known about the primmost application of chain drive system is bicycle, motorcycle, textile machineries and material handling machines. Next, failure of chain drives. Here main issue of failure of chain drive is very first thing is chain elongation. It is caused due by increasing the pitch due to joint wear under the action of tension and dynamic loads during the operation. Due to wear, the pitch increases and it's failed to match the sprocket teeth and may run off the sprockets, and chain elongation should be restricted to 3%. Next one is the failure of joints and plates under dynamic load and repeated load. The pitting occurs at the surface of the rollers and bushes. This results in surface roughness to produce the more dynamic load. Strong knock occurs, sometimes even split the rollers and bushes. Wear in sprockets due to the relative motion between the bush and teeth. The wear depends on the profiles of the teeth and manufacturing accuracy. Next one is wear of the sprocket teeth. What are the basic design procedure? Almost comparatively, chain drive system and flat belt drive system and wheel belt drive system. The chain drive system, we have a number of procedure. First, we want to select the chain. Your chain may be a roller or bush or silent of other types, so depending upon the usage and velocity. It may be simplex or duplex. Next thing, we should calculate the design power. The basic formula to calculate the design power is rated power into service factor. Fix up the chain number of distance for design power and pinion RPM. Note down the parameter of the chain, namely pitch, width and weight per unit length and rated load. Select the number of teeth, say Z1 depending on the velocity ratio and determine the pitch circle diameter of the sprocket of P and D. Find the pitch line velocity, determine the load on the chain, determine the factor of safety, calculation of bending stress, fix the length of chain from center distance, character center distance, and actual factor of safety. On 3-step basis, we are going to select the chain rate. This is also not a design of chain rate system. This is also selection parameter based upon the factor of safety, based upon the bearing stress, based upon the braking load. We should decide the chain is right or wrong. Thank you.